What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys don't know me already, my name is Shane. Here's my IG. I drive the Lancer, and my partner Mateo drives the Jetta. Today we are going to be working on some interior mods today, basically just appearance wise. But yeah, I basically got some carbon fiber wrap off like Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want it. And the panels I'm about to show you guys in a second is what we're going to be changing up. So I don't really know what the last video you saw of the Lancer was, if it was me redoing the bumper or if this is going to come out before the bumper. I'm going to show you guys anyways, and then you guys can watch the full video whenever you want. Anyways, bumper came out pretty good. I don't know if you guys saw this already or not, but let's take a look into the interior here. It's a hot day today, so I'm not going to be filming too much, and I can't really find the piece to the tripod that the camera sits on. So these are the pieces right here, these gray ugly pieces. I'm going to be doing a lot of interior work on this car, like changing the headliner and everything like that. So these pieces are getting carbon fibered wrap, same with this one and the other one on the door over there. So basically it's just going to give the car, the interior, a fresher look, make it look a little bit nicer. I hope. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, so it's basically hella hot outside today. It's a really hot day. The weather, it says that it feels like 36 degrees, I think it said. That's pretty hot, bro. It's obviously not 36 degrees outside, but it feels like that. So I'm not going to be doing too much filming. Maybe just taking the pieces off. I'll show you guys clips of that. If you guys want to see a video of how to take off each piece, I will link a video in the description because I got it off, figured out how to do it off this guy, so I'll link that in the description. I also made an IG account for the Lancer for Gary, so here's Gary's IG if you guys want to check that out. I got like a couple cinematic videos on there that you guys don't really see, and you guys can also find my TikTok and stuff and blah blah blah. Also, guys, make sure you follow Overdrive IG account, that's right here. And bless, the sun's going down, so let's get started. Since the sun's going down, let's get right to it. Alright guys, so we got all the parts laid out here, got them all taken off. We got the two side door panels, and then we have the centerpiece, and then this one goes on to the driver's side where the vents are and your traction control and all that. I don't even have traction control and all that, but there are plugs that are plugged into something, but there's no buttons, which are weird. Anyways, we'll get into that another day. Got all the parts here, got the carbon fiber wrap chilling right there. We're going to take this inside because I'm not sitting out here and doing this. Actually, yeah, I'm not sitting out here and doing this, so I'm going to clean them up, take them inside, and then we can start wrapping. Let's get it.
She don't wanna tell lies. She don't wanna tell lies. She just wanna feel alive. She just wanted more time. I'm looking for a long ride. She just wanna test drive. Going on the west side. I'll see you in the next life. wanna tell lies. She just wanna feel alive. She just wanted more time. I'm looking for a long ride. She just wanna test drive.
Alright guys, I don't know where I left off on this carbon fiber wrap interior, but it was just a quick video and it looks really good in my opinion. I do have to go back and just fix a couple things, but from far you can't really tell, but I'll show you guys, because honestly this was my first time doing this and this has a lot of curves in it, and you know, you're not going to be the best on the first time, but you can always go back. So it was a very hot day, so the wrap could not settle in time and I rushed it and I put it back on. I just have a habit of doing that, so don't be like me. Take your time please and just let it settle. You can see on this side too, it is moshed up. So guys, don't be like me and don't mosh your stuff up. Do it properly and take your time. But in my opinion, it looks amazing. I think it looks really good. My friends love it. When they got into the car for the first time and I showed them, it made the car look really good. They said it looked amazing, it looked sick, and it gives the car a better cockpit interior. So if you guys want to do this to your Lancer, I'll leave the link in the description where I copped the carbon fiber wrap, and you can also do this on any car you guys want. So if you guys want to do this to your car and you guys are just watching for this purpose, then do so. Alright guys, so there's no cinematic this video, because in the next video there will be a nice cinematic when I do a little bit more to the interior, if you know what I mean. I got it right in the back seat, so hopefully you can see it. If you can, there's a sneak peek. Hope you guys can guess what it is. It has to do with the interior, and I really hope I enjoy it, because it is one of my favorite things to do. So yeah, hope you guys like the carbon wrap interior. I think it looks amazing. I think it looks dope. Friends love it, everything. So if you guys want to do this yourself, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And guys, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, before we leave, make sure you guys click the bell to get notifications every time we post. We usually post at Fridays 4 p.m. but you know, we've been busy during the summer, so sometimes it's Saturdays, sometimes blah blah, but either way it's going to be at 4 p.m. on a weekend, so the 3-day weekend, so like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It'll be one of those days. It's usually just Friday and Saturday. That's when we usually get to be able to post it for you guys. I am the one that edits, so it does like get crowded with videos and like my time and like what I get to do. So if you're an editor out there and you guys want to edit for our channel, as of right now we don't make money off YouTube, so you're not gonna make any money off either. So if you guys just wanna, you know, help the boys out, you know, and edit for us, that'd be great. When we get bigger and shit and we start making money, that's coming your way. So if you guys are an editor, or you guys know an editor that wants to like learn how to edit and do stuff, tell them to hit us up on the IG, and we'll send them some clips and they can edit. If we like how they are, then you know, they can do it. You gotta be better than me though. You gotta be better than me. Make sure to stay tuned guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.